Hello everybody, today I'm going to speak on one of the most interesting subjects for any database administrator, how we can create clustered column store index in all tables in SQL Server 2014. As the first, I'm Mustafa Al-Masri, Senior Database Administrator and DB Analyst. I have more experience in database performance, tuning, and data warehousing, data mart solution, SQL Server replication, clustering solution, and database design for different kind of system. I am founder of Community SQL Database Administration from 2011. Also, I am board member and author in SQL Server Performance Tuning. This is the biggest community in the Middle East in SQL Server technology. I have multiple technical documents in SQL Server technology like mirroring, clustering, replication. Also, I have 100 posts in SQL Server performance tuning. For more information about me, you can visit About Me site. Today, we are going to speak in one of the most interesting subjects in SQL Server 2014. Any DBA going to upgrade his SQL Server to 2014, he should know why he need to upgrade and what he should do or what he should know before going to SQL Server 2014. In this subject, I write 4 posts, more comprehensive. You can check it in my community. Only you can do search by SQL Server 2014. You will find it to know what is the limitation, what is the duplicated feature in SQL Server 2014, something like this. Let's go for our subject. Our subject today, how we can create clustered column store index in all tables by one single click. I created awesome stored procedure to do everything for you. What our script will do today, let's go. At the first, I will return all tables not supported CCI based on data type. We have some data type not supported clustered column store index like any varchar max, var binary, image, any text, XML. All these data type not supported CCI, clustered column store index. I will return all tables have already CCI because CCI we cannot create 2 clustered column store index in one table. Only one clustered column store index. We cannot create clustered column store index in table have clustered index. I should drop the clustered index and I should drop all the non-clustered index. I will return all tables have a trigger not supported, computed column not supported, sparse column not supported. All these previous 5 points, I will grab these tables and I will save it in one temp table. Then I will drop all the foreign key for supported tables. I will drop the cluster and the non-clustered index for supported tables. Then I will create clustered column store index. 1 point here for the drop foreign key. I will drop the foreign key and I will give you the rollback if you need to create it again. But if you need to create it again, you should drop the CCI. Let's go over the demo to know how we can do this. I have here one big script. If you need to check it to download it, you can check it in my site. If you go to my site to know how we can create clustered column store index, you can check this. You can download this stored procedure. I'm working now in SQL Server 2014. I will work in database adventure work 2014. Okay, create my stored procedure. Let's go to know at the first to know what I write in my script. Here's some temp table, one temp table for tables not supported for tables, and another one for supported table, and another one for data type, and at the end one for the foreign key. At the first, I inserted the data type in the temp table. This data type not supported by CCI. Then I will return the tables for this data type and plus 3 data type. In varchar max -1 meaning max, varchar max for binary max. Return all the tables have already CCI. One more thing here. From this script you can bring multiple script and use it in another subject. So this script is more comprehensive. Return the table have a trigger by this script. Return the tables have a computed column. Return tables have a sparse column, and at the end I will return the supported table and insert it in one temp table naming supported table for CCR. Here by this script I will drop all the foreign key for supported table. Here I will drop the constraint, and this is the rule on and this is the rule back. Add constraint. Dropping then dropping a clustered and a non-clustered index, and at the end I will create the clustered ColumnStore index. What I need to say to you here, I am not executing anything, so you can execute my script and don't be afraid. Only I am printing the script for you to check it, then you can execute it. Also, don't try this in production, please. You can try it at the first in any testing environment. Don't go for production there. Let's go to open another new session to execute this main script. Yes, perfect. Here is the list. Tables not supported CCI. Some example, I have like this table employee. In this employee table, you will find computed column, store computed column. You go here, employee, this column, yes. You will find one organized level, computed column. So you have two choices, either to drop this column or to leave all the table. And you cannot create a cluster the ColumnStore index on this table. So here is the list for the tables not supported CCI. Here is the list for tables supported CCI, and here is the list for drop constraint, and this is the list for add constraint, roll in, roll on, and roll back. If you come here for the message, you will see scripts for alter table and drop index for dropping the clustered and non-clustered index, and at the end the create cluster the ColumnStore index. Okay, so the first step will drop the constraint, execute, perfect. Second step, I will take all these alter scripts. One thing I need to see here something. When you are going for execute this script for alter index and drop cluster and non-cluster index, some tables will give you error. These tables, why this error? Because this table have constraint with reference for another table, and this table and this another table related to tables not supported by CCI. So I'm not returned here in my script. I'm not covered here in my script. this point, so you can leave this errors, because you already will not create anything in this tables because it's reference to another table. This execute. So here is the error I say to you. If you come here, click this example, this business entity. If you go for this table, filter, you will find here this key reference to vendor table. This vendor table, one of the tables not supported CCR. Vendor, yes. So you will not create anything, so no need to alter the table. Okay. If you execute this stored procedure again, see, no drop constraint, no add constraint, only. Also the alter is reduced. All these alters, it will return to you error, so revoke it. And here is the cluster column store index create. If you come here, execute, it will give you some errors for the tables not altered. But if you check one like this for this table, you check this table as an example. Index perfect. Cluster the column store index. For your record, when you create cluster the column store index, we are not mention any column. All columns, it will be covered by include column. Okay. I hope my demo is useful, and please follow me in the next posts and the next videos, inshallah. Thank you and goodbye.